The Body Mass Index Interactive Calculator helps you analyze weight-to-height ratios and determine health categories based on standard BMI metrics. This calculator has a calculation mode drop-down with 6 options. Calculate BMI from weight and height. Calculate target weight for desired BMI. Calculate height from known weight and BMI. BMI category analysis. Calculate BMI change after weight loss, gain, and calculate ideal weight range. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate BMI from weight and height. The weight unit dropdown offers kilograms or pounds. I'll use kilograms. The height unit dropdown provides meters, centimeters, or feet and inches. I'll select meters. Now I enter values in the input fields. Weight gets 70.5 and height gets 1.75. After clicking Calculate, the results show BMI 23.02 kg M2, category, normal weight and health risk, low risk, optimal health range. The BMI of 23.02 falls within the normal range of 18.5 to 24.9, indicating a healthy weight-to-height ratio. The normal weight category confirms this is within standard guidelines, while the low-risk designation means minimal health concerns related to weight. This tool simplifies BMI calculations for quick health assessments. Find the link in the description below.